In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine whether ClickUp or Monday is the better project management tool in 2025. Both platforms are at the forefront of project management technology, yet they each shine in unique aspects, catering to various types of teams and project needs. Let's delve into what makes each of these tools special and assess which one might be the ideal fit for you. Let's start with ClickUp, often hailed as the all-in-one powerhouse for project management. ClickUp positions itself as the solution that can replace all other apps in your workflow, offering an impressive suite of features designed to enhance productivity across various teams. It boasts over 15 project views, including list, board, calendar, Gantt, and mind map, along with functional gems like native time tracking and advanced automations. This makes ClickUp incredibly customizable, allowing users to tailor their workspaces with fine precision, making it especially appealing to tech-oriented teams involved in agile development. Its structured, complex project management environment is perfect for handling intricate workflows, thanks to features like sprint management and backlog tracking. Notably, ClickUp presents a strong value proposition with its competitive pricing, especially on its lower-tier plans. The free plan, which offers unlimited tasks and members, is an attractive option for both individual users and small teams looking to manage their projects without breaking the bank. Moreover, ClickUp integrates deeply with over 1,000 apps, from Slack to Figma, underscoring its potential as the central hub of your tech stack. The platform's AI tools further elevate productivity, offering assistance in content generation and task management. However, with great power comes a learning curve. New users may find themselves overwhelmed by its feature-rich environment and somewhat cluttered interface, which can affect the speed of adoption. Additionally, some users report performance lags, particularly with larger, more complex projects. Turning the spotlight onto Monday, this tool is celebrated for its visual appeal and user-friendly design, embodying a no-code approach to workflow customization. Its clean and colorful interface is not just a feast for the eyes, but also functional, making Monday exceptionally easy to use. New team members can dive into project management with minimal training thanks to guided tutorials and pre-built templates. The board-style layouts and multiple display options like Kanban and Gantt make tracking project progress a visually intuitive exercise. Additionally, setting up basic automations on Monday is a breeze, thanks to its straightforward formula of when this happens, do that, requiring no technical expertise. However, Monday does have its limitations. While it excels in providing a simple, visual project tracking experience, it lacks the depth and granularity that some organizations may need. The pricing can also be a consideration, as key features like automations and Gantt views require paying for premium plans, which could be a burden for smaller teams. Furthermore, while Monday provides some document and whiteboarding tools, it's not as ambitious as ClickUp in being a single replacement for numerous business applications. The verdict on which tool is right for you ultimately depends on your team's needs. Choose ClickUp if your team requires deep customization, advanced project management features, and is prepared to invest time in setting up a powerful system. It's also a great choice if budget considerations are a priority. On the other hand, opt for Monday if ease of use, quick adoption, and a visually appealing interface are paramount. It's particularly suited for non-technical teams managing straightforward projects with a need for visual project updates.